In reference to the pie plot, I'll going to show you another particular program. See this particular program. So in this particular program, what is it will going to plot? So how it will going to plot? See here, from matplotlib import pyplot as plt. Okay, now plotting, what to plot? Plot dot plt dot plot, what? 1 2 3 4 5 1. Now display the plotting. How to display? That means the plotting that has been done, how to display that particular plotting. Now the plotting that we're going to do, it is, see here, I have divided into two parts. One is an x-axis, one is an y-axis based on it. Okay, so x-axis and y-axis, based on these two axes, what you will going to see, that you will going to have a plotting phase. Okay, you will going to have a plotting phase. On this particular plotting phase, what it will going to show you, it will going to show you the structure of that particular plotted area. Okay, so plt plot, plotting what has been done, plt plot, and this particular plotting is been worked out in the scenario of your plotting phase. Clear? See it now. See the thing. So this is what the output that has been derived from here. That means 1 2 3, your 1 starting range is 1, then 2, then 3, ended in 3, and from here where it is started, 4 5 and 1. So from 1, that means this is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So 4 5 and 1, it will going to come at the next, at a down phase. So this is what you are saying, that the particular plotting will going to be done in this scenario. Okay, so in this scenario you will going to have a plot. Okay, this has been plotted in this particular way. Clear? So let us come to the next program of it. Okay, now this is the next program. Let us close this one, let us close this one, close this also. Now as this one, what you see, that import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt, then x-axis I have said 1 2 3, y-axis I have said 5 7 4. So this way also you can declare. Then plot, plt plot x comma y. Now what I need to give, I need to give the levels. So first line, okay, where the levels is, see here, the level I have shown to you, there is the levels, those the levels are there. First what we have said, the first line, then x 1 2 3, okay, y 10 11 14. Clear? Now plot, pyplot, this is the first x-axis, total x and y-axis combination. Now next x and y-axis combination, that is a second line. So what I said, that plot x label, this is the label, labeling to be done, plot list, then plot y label, variables, x label, this is the x label, that means x is where downwards, y is where this one, that means this is y, this is the x. Okay, now what I give the title of this, title will be shown here in this area, the title will be shown, and what we have, a legend. Okay, this is known as a legend. Let us run this program and see the output, what it is coming. Okay, so as see here, everything what has been discussed, every part what has been discussed, all the things are there. Okay, all the things are there. So those the things what is there, you find it that each of this particular scenario, each of this particular I'm cancelling it. Okay, each of this particular scenario, let us again rerun the program. Okay, see here,